3 points, plus q, minus 2q, and plus q. So plus q is placed at x equals 0, y equals a. So this is y equals a, and here plus q is placed. Minus 2q is placed at the origin, and x equals a. So here we have again a plus q charge. The magnitude and direction of the electric dipole moment vector of this charge assembly. So we can break this minus 2q into two charges, which is minus q and again minus q. So this minus q clubs up with the plus q at the y-axis, and this minus q clubs with the plus q at the x-axis. So this dipole moment is q into a. This dipole moment is q into a. But yes, dipole moment is a vector quantity, and therefore it is having magnitude and direction both. So we write this qa I cap, this qa is j cap. So now the net dipole moment will be, so this is qa I cap, and this is qa j cap. So therefore the net will be the resultant vector, which is root 2 qa. Okay, and this will be at an angle of 45 degree. So in fact we can write it like this also. It's going to be qa I cap plus qa j cap, which is qa I cap plus j cap. So the magnitude is root 2 qa, and the direction is along I cap plus j cap. That means along, like I cap plus j cap, so along this direction, which is basically from 0 0 0 to a comma 0. So if you see, the magnitude is root 2 qa. Okay, and from x equals 0, y equals 0, z equals 0 to x equals y equals a, z equals 0. So therefore the answer is going to be a.